Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com making this video about gold. So let's get it started. This is where the heck is that? All right. Uh, Today Trump start waving his magic wand again and did something with that. So let me show you what happened today. But from the beginning, just like yesterday. So this is the 4 hour chart that I made on the 20th June, right? I'm starting from here because I always have new people, so they would know exactly what it is. So this is the idea that, Elliott wave count, wave three, wave four, and then wave five will start, and then wave five will have subwaves, one, two, three, and so on and so forth. This is a wrong count here. It's supposed to be Roman numbers, right? Like this one, this one, this one, but made a mistake here. So yeah, so wave five is going to the upside. So this one turned into this. So it started to go to the upside, and then I says, okay, now I corrected here, like Roman number one, two, and then wave three would be going there, and wave three will also have five subwaves. And it's like wave one, two, three, four, five. So this one going to the upside again. So I also made this Renko chart. This is my bread and butter, very precise charts, right? So this was like wave one and then wave two. I said somewhere here we're gonna go up. And what happened to this chart is this started go up, right? And then it got kind of like stop here. So I said, okay, let me see what happened. If I have a reversal candle here, three places where you may get a reversal zone, extension zone, or a double top, double bottom, right? So this was like a double bottom situation. If I get a reversal candle, it may drop. That's the idea. So I got it, right? So I got a reversal candle, couple of red candles. So I said, well, now possibility is that it may go down as well. Two is not this one, but this is like A, B, C, D, X, A, B, C, D. That's harmonic pattern. And then A, B, C correction for Elliott wave. Wave two could be coming down here. And it did. So coming down here, I had a couple of trades as well. And I had trades all along. Every turn, I get my entry in that direction and then I take it, right? But I'm just going to show the trades only I took this week so far, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we came down here and then I made another chart. This was again telling you that, it might be going to the upside, right, from here. So I made this chart, right? That one's gone, already played out. So I said, well, somewhere here we're gonna go to the upside, and that was on the 9th July. And then boom, see, all the way to the upside there. And after that, again, I made the chart saying that, okay, this could be wave one, and then we need to be coming down to wave two here before going to the upside again. And then we started to come down. And then I took the trades this week, Sunday, when the market opened up on the 13th, coming down. This one, the first trade here coming down, and then the second trade here coming down, and we ended up like this and we got stop here, right? So then I made another chart saying that it may not come straight to for wave two, but it may be like A, B, C correction. Usually that happens, right? So this could be A and then B and C. So I was watching it and it went up here. Then I said, well, if we can stop here, if we can stay below this number, then this could be B. So this is A, B, then we need to be coming down here for C. And what happened? Boom, C came down here and coming down, I had my trade, this one, 300 pip. Now, once we got there, I made another chart. Well, the same chart, basically, after coming down here, we're supposed to be going to the upside, and look what happened today. This is because of Mr. Trump, right? His magic wand. And news came out that he threatening that actually he's planning, he was planning to fire, Powell, right? So that's what it, and then later on he came out and he denied that he ever said it. But damage was done, and actually the damage was in my favor. And then going to the upside, this is my trade here. Beautiful entry taken by the robot and 350 pip. Right. So this is what gold is doing, and what is next? It's not only gold. I mean, I make these before charts with the setup on a 40-minute chart, almost like 4 or 5 every night. You have it, right? For example, I'll give you one example that I saw this one, and I said, well, this is gonna happen. We're gonna come down here to 47, 41. and bounce. Or if not, if you break this, we're going to come down to the TL, and then you can see what happened. This chart is this. And then I think I took the trade. Yes. Short. Yes. Like this today. Beautiful 110 pip, right? Similarly, pound yen, euro, they all drop. And then I have trade everywhere, right? With this, see this pound yen today? Based on the 40-minute chart, and it came down 90 pip here as well, and euro yen, and then all the other yen pairs, they all went down, right? So this is how it is, right? So if you like the system, if you like what you saw here, and you want to get a hold of the system or this robot here that taking these entries and then be part of my group so that you can have all these, I post all these before charts on my Telegram channel for my subscribers. You see this? All of these, this was long here, short here, see this Euro USD. I said it's going to come down. Look what happened. Then I said it's going to go up, and it bounced yesterday. Right? I didn't take the trade though. It was up there, I said it's going to come down. So all of these trades are setups like this USD yen yesterday, right? Actually today, on the 16th, I said it's going to come down, and later on it did came down right there. See? Beautifully, exactly the way I said that is going to come down. And I had my trade this one. So I'm constantly posting here, giving you heads up and beautiful setups. I mean, these Renko candles, shows exact turning points, and obviously my robot taking the exact, very precise entries most of the time, 90% of the time, the entries are very precise and for a long distance, right? Most of my trades are 90 pips, 80, 90, 100, 110, the other day I had USD yen like 160 pip. It should be here somewhere. If let's see, CAD yen, pound yen, see that 160 pip, 2 days worth trade. So this is 14 and then 15, going all the way to the upside. And then when it dropped, I caught it as well, right? I just showed you. So this is how it is. All right. So if you like to get a hold of the system, then you can go on my website here and sign up, monthly subscription, yearly, whatever. And if you are a beginner and if you want to learn this business and become master of it, then I suggest that you sign up for one-on-one coaching, 10 hours coaching by me over the Zoom, where I teach you every single thing about this business has to offer and this system, and I give you everything, all I have, my robots and my indicators and everything, right? So that you will be doing or repeating exactly, not even if not exactly, let's say 25% for what I'm doing, you will be much better off, right? So I am as a teacher, as a all-rounder, I have to do and trade, different things. And with the help of robot, I'm able to. Otherwise, it's very, impossible almost, right? To take, all these pairs and then, NASDAQ and gold and every single thing to watch and then trade. But with this robot, I'm able to do that because, what all I had to do is do my analysis and then place the robot there, and the robot will take care of the rest. All right, so this is it for now. Like I said, come on my website, sign up, and be part of my group, and take it from there. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.